When you boost a post on Facebook, it's the same as doing this. Boosting feels quick, easy. Facebook even makes it sound smart. But it's not built to get you sales. It's built to get your money. After spending several $1 million on ads, we've learned the hard way what works and what doesn't. Boosting posts is like trying to perform surgery with a butter knife when there's a state-of-the-art operating room next door. So why does anyone even bother boosting? It all starts with the tempting notifications Meta sends us.
Reach up to 1,500 more people for just $14.
But they never say, generate 10 qualified leads or get 5 new customers. The prompts for us to boost are like a restaurant saying you can look at the ingredients instead of getting a meal. See, boosting is Zuckerberg's sneaky psychological trap that encourages you to start small, maybe $10 or $15. And when it gives you a little dopamine hit from seeing some extra engagement on your post, you think, well, if $10 got me 30 likes, what would $50 do? So the next post gets $50. Before you know it, you're on a slippery slope of spending money for no returns. One of the problems with boosting is the new people Meta shows your post to are not selected because they're likely to buy. They're chosen because they're likely to engage with the post. I spoke with someone who spent over $2,000 boosting posts. In exchange, she got more comments and likes on her posts, as well as a few messages and calls from bored window shoppers asking stupid questions. But not a single extra sale, which hurts. Now, the good news is there are a few powerful ways to leverage Facebook that people no smarter than you and I use to pull in life-changing profits. Let's dive into them. I recently spoke with the owner of a financial services business who wasted months boosting posts with zero business growth. We helped him set up some ad campaigns using Meta's Ads Manager. And 6 months later, his revenue jumped from $600K to over $1 million. Same business, same services. Let's look quickly at the 4 steps he took to do it. Now, it's important to note each step builds on the other, so pay close attention. And the last one is a game changer. So make sure you grab a pen for all 4 steps. Step 1, the Meta Pixel. This tiny line of code is insanely powerful. Once installed on your site, it tracks exactly what people do after clicking on your ad. Did they sign up, add something to their cart, make a purchase? With Meta's Ads Manager, you get access to tools that provide you with this data, which means your campaigns can generate more and more profits over time. Step 2, retargeting. Retargeting is an incredibly important part of marketing profitably. And in the Ads Manager, with just a few clicks, you can show ads to your website visitors, people who watched your videos, and people who almost bought but didn't. These audiences already know you, like you, and trust you. They just need a gentle nudge before they give you their money. Anyone not using retargeting today is simply leaving money on the table. And you don't want to be that guy. Now, if your sales aren't quite where you'd like them to be yet, this next step is almost as important as the final step. But before we get into this next step, I want to quickly mention something that will help you shortcut this entire process. It's called the Codex. This is a free step-by-step guide to launching your first profitable campaign. It taps into nearly 20 years of marketing experience, generating many millions in sales from ads. I made it so you can avoid having to make the many mistakes I made when I started out and start profiting today. To grab your own free copy, comment GROW below this video. Now, this next step is a fast one, but unbelievably important if we're going to get your sales where they deserve to be. Step 3, better data. Unlike boosting, Ads Manager tells you how much profit each ad is making, as well as things like how much you're paying for each lead. This isn't just nice to have, it's the data smart businesses use to drive extra sales week in, week out. Step 4, advertise to the people most likely to buy. Now, this really is a case of leaving the best till last. In Ads Manager, you can set up your ads for something Facebook calls conversions. This means you can show your ads to the people Facebook knows are interested in what you're selling. No more boosting for clicks. Now you're optimizing for profit. This is how savvy business owners turn meta ads into their number one sales machine. And the results speak for themselves. These are the same steps our clients and the people we teach use to start generating the revenue their hard work deserves. Comment GROW below this video and I'll send you my step-by-step guide for creating your first profitable campaign. And in this next video, I'll show you exactly how to build your first money-making ad from scratch.